In the heart of the wilderness, a silent predator moves with precision. Its every move calculated, its every strike deadly. This is the world of nature's ultimate hunter, the wild snake. Today, we venture deep into the snake's domain to witness its incredible hunting prowess. From dense forests to arid deserts, these reptiles dominate their environment with stealth, strength, and strategy. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. Adapted to diverse habitats, these creatures have evolved unique hunting techniques to survive and thrive. Using their tongues to taste the air, snakes detect prey from meters away. Their vision and vibration sensitivity guide them to their next meal. Patience is a hunter's greatest weapon. For the reticulated python, it's all about the ambush. Motionless and hidden, it waits for the perfect moment to strike. One lightning-fast strike, and the python's muscular body wraps around its prey, suffocating it in seconds. A flawless execution of predator instincts. Not all snakes are ambush hunters. The rattlesnake, armed with venomous fangs, relies on precision and power. A single bite delivers venom potent enough to paralyze its prey almost instantly. The king cobra, on the other hand, is a master of intimidation. Standing tall, hood flared, it can deliver enough venom to take down large mammals or deter predators. While snakes are exceptional hunters, they are also prey for larger animals like birds of prey and mammals. In the intricate web of life, every predator has its own challenges. From their silent movements to their deadly strikes, snakes embody the primal essence of survival. They are nature's predators, essential to maintaining balance in their ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the wild. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures into the natural world.